Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking 100-Year-Old Recipes. In this episode, I'm making cottage cheese. Now, this is a stovetop cheese, but it has been around for a very long time, certainly longer than this book. It was thought that it was made many centuries ago in cottages when spoiled milk just naturally would curdle, and they would drain away the whey and have this cheese to enjoy. Maybe not enjoy. Some people don't like the texture of it, but I love it. So this recipe, there's two in the book. One, as you see, I'm using rennet for, and the other recipe uses vinegar. And they both produce a similar result. So the milk needs to be heated to right about 100 degrees, so it's a very low, gentle heat. And it calls for a junket tablet, which we tend to use rennet these days, but a junket tablet is rennet, just in tablet form. And now I've got it right around 100, just a little, almost 2 degrees over, but that's fine. And you'll see it's gotten sort of like a jelly look to it now on top after it's been sitting just a bit. And you break up the curds with a fork and begin to drain them out. So I lay some cheesecloth in a colander, and I have a bowl underneath because I want to save that whey. I love to use it for chicken soup, so I'm absolutely going to be making chicken soup in the next few days with this. It just gives a more rich umami flavor to your soup stock. You see the curds come out quite easily with a strainer. You can dump the whole pot in there if you like, but I always do it this way. I've made stovetop cheese before. Ricotta and mozzarella. This pot has seen some delicious things. And that's it. Now this is going to be a very dry curd, and it will need to be seasoned with some salt because it has very little flavor. And because it's so dry, you'll need to add some milk or cream or a mixture of both to make it a little bit more palatable, depending how you eat it. If you want it dry, certainly you can eat it that way, but I added some cream to it. I'm going to link below what you can do with leftover whey. And this is almost my daily habit of cottage cheese, and I'm using the fresh cottage cheese today, and my goodness, this is so much better than what's in the store, as you would expect. So I have it with some jam, and this is caramelized peach jam that I made last week, and I can link that below. That's on my other channel. But yes, that's it. It's very simple and very delicious.